In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be quickly taking you through a shoulder press variation known as the Arnold press. Now, to get into this position, you're actually going to be doing a bicep curl. So we're going to start off with the elbows nice and close, tucked in towards your sides. You've got the palms facing in a palm up position, and you're going to start doing a bicep curl whilst also contracting your core and bringing your shoulders back. So I've done my bicep curl movement. You want the hands to be in line with your clavicle, so your collarbone. And from this position, you'll notice my palms are facing towards me. I'm actually going to rotate my palms to face towards the camera as I come into my shoulder press and then straight up. As I come down, that 90-degree elbow position comes into play, and I rotate back towards that palm facing myself position. So I rotate the hands away into that shoulder press position, 90-degree angle or slightly below, and then bring the weights back like so. Now, if I'm doing faster repetitions and more fluid, that would look like this. Notice how I'm not clanging the weights to the top. If you had really heavy weights and you come up and you clang the weights, you don't want to lose your balance during the exercise or knock one side off course. And you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. To bring the weights down, you would just simply do the reverse. So you would bring that bicep curl movement down, and then that would be the exercise and the set done. That's how to do the Arnold press shoulder variation with dumbbells.